अभी लास्ट टॉक है, कभी लाइक जल्दी इसको खत्म कर दो, लेट अस स्पीड, राइट? तो yes, so this is more of an interactive session. So for this session I am requesting you to please take out your phones. आपको टीचर्स कहते होंगे कि लाइक मेरे टॉक में लाइक don't bring phones in your class. I am opposite to them. I say take out your phones, like you can bring them on. So yeah, there are many QR codes in my slides. And there is a demo in which I want to show you that how we can use AI agents in our day-to-day life. As in day-to-day life मतलब इतना day-to-day life कि इसके बिना तो हम घर से बाहर निकल भी नहीं सकते. जैसे clothes. So my topic for the day is building an AI wardrobe assistant. So एक clothes एक ऐसी commodity है that has to be physical. As in you cannot digitalize clothes. You can digitalize payments, you can digitalize taking photos, but you cannot digitalize taking clothes. But, we have few rules such as like हम confuse हो जाता है कि what should I wear? मेरे पास तो कपड़ा ही नहीं है पहनने के लिए. As in most of the people आप सोचते होंगे कि यार मैंने तो इतनी अच्छी टॉप देखी थी मॉल में, लेकिन इससे सिमिलर तो मेरे घर पे पड़ी है, अभी ये ले लोगी तो मम्मी मारेगी. तो so these are various like thoughts going through it. And आपको एक क्वेश्चन है, आप में से कितने लोगों को AI में इंटरेस्ट है? Show me some hands. Okay. And आप में से कितने लोगों को AI इंजीनियर या फिर AI रिलेटेड करियर में घुसना है? You want to try it out? Okay. I see many hands. So this is something कि जो आप यूज कर सकते हो in order to build your small POCs. आप legitly इन प्रोजेक्ट्स को, इन आइडियाज को इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हो in order to prove your concept and show your understanding of AI agents. And yes, let's begin with the talk. So the introduction, and up till then you can scan this QR. I am a generative AI engineer. I work at Capgemini, but my role is currently software engineer. So my interest lies in AI and ML. My engineering branch was artificial intelligence and data science. Apart from that, I was GDSC lead in my third year. Along with that, I was also Intel Student Ambassador, and I'm really active in tech communities, and I love speaking. Speaking नहीं कहते इसे, इसको yapping कहते हैं. I love to yap. I talk a lot, and at the end, I'm just a memer and I'm just a girl. Means ये है मेरे PPT में, कुछ डाला ही नहीं है मैंने. So here is a small activity. इस activity में जो भी consistent 5 लोग होंगे, उनको स्टिकर्स अभी लाइक दिस लेजिटिमेट अभी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होने वाले हैं. वी हैव 5 फिंगर्स इन आवर हैंड. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए फर्स्ट फिंगर अप. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, आपने कभी अपनी अलमारी खोली है एंड यू एवर फेल्ट कि मेरे पास तो कुछ है ही नहीं पहनने के लिए, सब तो पुराना माल है. 1 फिंगर अप, 1 फिंगर अप, सिर्फ 1. मेरे पास तो कुछ है ही नहीं. माई वॉर्डरोब इज फुल ऑफ क्लोथ्स, स्टिल आई डोंट हैव नथिंग टू वेयर. प्रॉब्लम? Yes. और बॉयज ऐसे मुझे लुक मत दो. आई नो ये आपकी भी प्रॉब्लम है.
नहीं, हमारी प्रॉब्लम इससे बहुत अच्छी है.
डोंट लुक एट हियर, ओके?
हमको चिंता ही नहीं है.
फर्स्ट फिंगर अप, ओके? सो टॉप 20 पीपल टू से 5 5 5 ऐसे ऐसे करेंगे, उनको स्टिकर्स अभी लेजेंड मिल जाएंगे. सो फर्स्ट फिंगर इज अप. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, had amazing outfit for an occasion, still wore a plain black t-shirt. Is it so? यार मतलब ये जो टेक कम्युनिटी होती है या फिर टी-शर्ट्स गिव अवे होते हैं, इनफैक्ट आवर प्राइम एग्जांपल शुड बी आवर स्पॉन्सर्स नॉन स्टॉप. आपको नहीं लगता इनके पास आज के आउटफिट के लिए, आज के ओकेजन के लिए इतने अच्छे क्लोथ्स हो गए? दे मस्ट बी हैविंग सम नाइस ब्लेजर्स, दे मस्ट बी हैविंग क्यूट आउटफिट्स लाइक पारुल एंड मानसी, बट येट दे हैव टू वेयर सम ब्लैक टी-शर्ट्स व्हिच आर आल्सो कूल, but yet they have to wear it. So two, okay, at the end, okay. And now थर्ड क्वेश्चन के लिए रेडी हो जाइए. Had to wear something else because outfit wasn't washed. भाई साहब, लगता है सब लोग अपना काम किसी और से कर रहे हो. That's why. It's still 2025, लेकिन आप 2024 की लॉन्ड्री आप स्टिल अभी कर रहे हो. That's too bad. And now the fourth question, like this is semi-final. Okay, I see your white shirt में लड़की है. Last में I see the green girl and yeah, I see him. Fourth question, wore an outfit which made me regret my whole day.
Oh my
right now.
पूछो मत भाई.
Okay. I'll not focus on the person who said right now, and we will give her an extra sticker just for being honest.
नेक्स्ट क्या है?
Fifth question. Now, Rohit and other volunteers, may I please ask for your help? आप अभी stickers लेके रखिए, and the first 20 people you see you can
ओ
distribute.
बाप रे बाप, वो फर्स्ट
Rohit,
एक
is
बार में
it?
कैसे?
Are you ready? Ready with the stickers? Loaded? उन्होंने दोनों हाथों पे किया। लगता है उनकी wardrobe problems बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। So the fifth question is mismatched so hard that it looked
Look like clown. ए भाई.
I think our volunteering team is going to have to do a lot of work.
भाई मैं तो रिकॉर्डिंग पे हूँ,
I'll wait for.
मैंने तो सबके रिएक्शन भी
I'll
रिकॉर्ड
wait
कर
for 30
लिए.
seconds. जब तक आप stickers distribute होते हैं, I'll wait. I have nothing to be hurry about.
सॉरी.
So we have 5 problems, and now we have one solution. So the one solution that we have is, wait, first ये meme देखो पहले. Solution की बातें हो ही रही है, right? Notes are what I read. The mood board, legend, we have a sundress, we have jeans, we have shoes, we have crop tops and whatnot. Yet we choose to wear something like this. And कोई मुझे इसका reason बता सकता? Comfort, but don't you think sweatshirt और jeans भी या फिर हमारे favorite colors के outfits भी comfortable होते हैं? I think it is just because they are so hidden in our wardrobe. इतने पीछे किसी अलमारी में lock, किसी bag में lock होते हैं, that it is so put behind कि उसको access करना ही हमारे लिए it's a task. And most of the times we forget that these outfits exist. So now coming to our solution, 5 problems, 1 solution. So how can we use generative AI in order to address this problem, which is quite physical in nature? As in ये कोई तुम्हारी digital problem नहीं है कि जल्दी की तरह या फिर images की तरह, like a digital photo has to be digitalized. ऐसे कुछ नहीं. This is a really physical problem जो कि it can be optimized with the help of AI. So understanding concept from natural language. As in हम अगर ऐसा कोई wardrobe होता जिससे हम पूछ सकते थे, hey listen wardrobe, आज मुझे speaker बन के एक talk में जाना है. Do you know? Do I have some outfits which I can try today? क्या आप मुझे सजेस्ट कर पा सकते हो? So this is like हम जैसे ChatGPT से बात करते हैं. We give ChatGPT our problems, and what ChatGPT does is give the solution in the form of either images, either text, or it will chat with us with the voice feature. The second is analyze uploaded clothing. I don't think this laser is visible here. So the second thing is analyze uploaded clothing. As in जो हमारे wardrobe होगा वही उसमें से ही हमको recommendation होगा. As in अगर मैं ChatGPT को बोलती हूँ please show me comfortable clothes, तो वो मुझे कौन से भी clothes दिखाएगा without having any context. I may or may not have it. लेकिन अगर मैं अपनी wardrobe से पूछूंगी can you please show me comfortable clothes, the wardrobe will do show me only those clothes which are mine, which I have in my wardrobe, which are owned by me or my mother or my sister. So basically, any female wardrobe in my family is mine. And so maintains conversation memory. If you are engineering students, if you have ever developed a chatbot, आपको ये word का meaning पता होगा, conversation memory. And if not, we will discuss it later. Apply soft reasoning and personalization. Again, heavy words, we'll understand it later. लेकिन अभी के लिए सिर्फ सुन के रखते हैं. Segregates already chosen clothes from fresh clothes. And again, like help making digital catalog. जैसे हमारा portfolio होता है, we have our resume, we have our portfolio websites in which we do keep our every good projects or keep our best foot front. तो वैसे ही हम अपना digital catalog create कर सकते हैं in which we can use कि yeah, I own few t-shirts, I own few jeans, and this can be mismatched or matched for that context. And also we can reduce waste. So what is the architecture which I have shown in my demo? Like I will be giving you that app. You can try it on your own on your phone devices. So the architecture which I have used is GCP. Like why GCP? Because it's so user friendly. It's comfortable. It's my personal comfort cloud platform. And in GCP I have used Firebase and Firestore. लेकिन POC पर्पसेस के लिए मेरे पास उतना स्टोरेज कॉस्ट अभी नहीं है फाइनेंसेस इन ऑर्डर टू सपोर्ट इट. सो आई हैव बिल्ट इट ऑन स्ट्रीमलेट और मैंने उसको स्टोरेज सेशन के लिए रखा है. As in you have to upload your clothes. लेकिन suppose if this app was a legit app in Play Store, I would have gone forward with GCP. So the second tool or pillar of my application is LangChain. जो भी अभी LangChain क्या है बताएगा उसके लिए इंस्टेंस टिका. LangChain किसको पता है? So louder please.
LLM orchestration tool है जिससे हम AI based application बना सकते हैं.
Really good. Like it's true. Can we have stickers for the sir? And it is true. So it is a framework. It is a Python based framework which is used in order to build generative AI apps. Also, it is used for directory loading. It is used for bringing conversations, embedding और जितने भी generative AI के जो terms होते हैं सारे terms हम LangChain से use करवाते हैं. So the LLM which I have used for this application is Gemini, and why I have used it because वो API format में है और it's multimodal. Multimodal as in it can convert the text to image, it can go from image to text, it can go from image to image जो मुझे चाहिए. और सबसे important reason it's because it's free.
होगा.
So we all came here for the free food, right? So, अगर आप फ्री फूड के लिए हिंजवाड़ी के कॉर्नर में आ सकते हो तो आप गुड प्रोजेक्ट के लिए फ्री API भी यूज कर सकते हो. एंड स्ट्रीमलेट फॉर माय वेब इंटरफेस एंड इट्स आल्सो डायनामिक इन नेचर. एज इन यही वेबसाइट आई विल बी शोइंग यू गाइस ऑन लैपटॉप, लेकिन वही वेबसाइट जब आप अपने फोन में ओपन करोगे यू कैन सक्सेसफुली एक्सेस इट. सो आई हैव यूज्ड Vanilla AI approach, as in Vanilla is in सबसे simple version. Sorry, the picture is quite pixelated here. So एक user अपना response ChatGPT में भी type our natural language, the AI agent analyzes जो functions या फिर जो code लिखा होता है वो भी use होता है और LLM भी answer देता है. And then जो external knowledge base होता है, in that case it's our clothes, gets the answer and it is all corrected. और एक फीचर है मेरे कोड में विच इज लॉन्ड्री बास्केट. सो सपोज आई बी जस्ट टेकिंग 5 more minutes. सो एक वी हैव लॉन्ड्री बास्केट एज एन अगर सपोज वी वेयर दिस क्लोथ्स टुडे तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हम उसको धोने के लिए डाल देंगे या फिर वी विल बी कीपिंग इट साइड फॉर यूजिंग अ डे आफ्टर. मोस्टली दिस हैपेंस विद आवर कैजुअल और क्लोथ्स दैट वी वेयर एट होम. तो ये फीचर को भी डिजिटलाइज करने के लिए आई हैव क्रिएटेड लॉन्ड्री बास्केट एंड दिस हैज been used the architecture of React pattern. So React as in वो React JS वाला React नहीं है. React मतलब अपना reason plus act based वाला agents. So there are multiple types of agent, like task based, goal based और reason act. So the laundry वाला तो ये करते हैं. We will be like ये basic AI architecture होता है. And yeah, the interesting part, demo time. Please take out your phones. स्कैन करेंगे हम लोग. This is the QR for the Streamlit website, which is for AI assistant, wardrobe assistant. I'll wait for more 30 seconds. I'm waiting. If you still haven't got your phone out, you can still scan. If your camera's picture quality is not clear, you can type this URL as well. You can click the photo and extract it from Google Lens.
Google के event में Google अपना promotion.
I guess we are good to go. Should I wait more 30 seconds?
Go.
Still loading. Let me try. Is it opening now? So अभी के लिए अगर open भी नहीं हो रहा है तो you have the link. You can try it when you get home or when you have a stable Wi-Fi. So we will be like executing it. यहाँ पे 2 agents बना के रखे हैं मैंने. One is wardrobe chat, which is basic vanilla AI agent, and the second one is laundry basket, which is React agent. So सबसे पहले we'll take the images of our clothes. These are few sample clothes, and I'll tell you the beauty about this is कि ये clothes का सिर्फ For example, this pink blazer. ये तो white background में है. लेकिन look at this pink साड़ी. This is not in white background, but yet the LLM is so powerful that it is able to extract the context of this image. ये LLM समझ पा रहा है कि a woman is wearing a pink साड़ी. So I'll say, what can I wear for office?
उसका माइंडसेट कैसे पता रहेगा फोन में क्या जो है.
Let's see, let's wait for the answer. It says either blazer or pink. Okay, and suppose if I want to confirm it, okay, I say, okay, this might be the look. So I'll click on confirm outfit, and after clicking on the confirm outfit button, it has triggered a process for React agent. So यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है confirmed and copied to laundry basket. As in, I'll be wearing this outfit, and this outfit is not currently in the wardrobe. This is out of the wardrobe, and it's cool to wear me out. So now I'll click on laundry basket, and now you can see these outfits here. And when I say clear laundry basket, तो इसका मतलब है कि ये कपड़े मैंने पहन के धो के I have kept it in the अलमारी. And now when I again ask like what options do I have? What else? So it has given me, okay, like this is something I call as LLM hallucination. जहाँ पे like we can see the image is replicated again. This is something which has to be worked upon. लेकिन keeping it for the POC person, like purpose, एक just ये कोड एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए प्रूफ ऑफ कंसेप्ट देखने के लिए आई थिंक इट्स गुड इनफ. सो उन्होंने मुझे फिर ये दिया, I'll say something pink.
समिंग हो गया.
So again, like it has given, and if I say what are the different clothes, या फिर हम और mess around कर सकते हैं. Actually, I don't have the time more, so अगर होता तो I'll have showed you कि ये all deep depth में कैसे जाता है. And understanding laundry basket and wardrobe chat is that कि जब आपका कोई item, for example, this is Manali traditional clothes. So अगर if I have selected this और अगर ये laundry basket में जाता, तो it wasn't available in my wardrobe. तो मेरे recommendations में this outfit would not be available. It would have only be available if I've cleared the laundry basket. So ये जो process थी हमारे कपड़े धोने की, wearing the outfit, styling it, cataloging it, तो ये सारी जो process थी, I have tried to create a simple code in order to digitalize this using AI and stickers for the person जो ये आंसर बताएगा कि ये सब करने के लिए मुझे कितने लाइन्स ऑफ कोड लगे.
0.
Yeah, true, but I want the number. 8.
ये कौन था भाई लेजेंडरी आदमी?
80.
इसने जिंदगी में घिटा भी नहीं. उसने कोड जनरेट कर लिया भाई लेवल.
0. Again.
क्या नाटक है 167.
I guess somebody said the answer here. I'll just show it. So this is the code. I'll just scroll it to the last.
Oh.
149. You don't? 150? So okay, you will get the sticker. So basically 150 BQ because I used few spaces in prompting as well. So this was my talk, that's it. And if you want to create more such agents or if you want the code for this, all you can do is see my rest of the PPT.
follow me or else.
I'll just, so this was it. Here we were.
I'm looking at me. Did decide what to wear.
And yeah. So follow me on LinkedIn. I'll be posting this PPTs as well as the link for this website on my LinkedIn as well. So yeah, thank you. That's me.